writing Selenium test cases, Selenium WebDriver test cases. Abdul Muhammad Karim, prerequisites for writing Selenium test cases. Selenium test cases. Can you identify prerequisites for writing Selenium test cases, Muhammad Karim? So far, we discussed some fundamentals of Selenium. Your point of view, what are the prerequisites for writing Selenium WebDriver test cases?
Sir, test scenario.
Test scenario. Suppose if you have manual test case. Next, manual test case. Generally, we automate manual test cases. We don't derive automated test cases directly from requirements. That's the point.
Yes, sir.
Generally, for any application, first level of execution, manual only. Next, second cycle onwards, regression testing, we use automated testing. It is faster and less efforts. Test scenario or manual test case. Next, Selenium point of view. Element locators. Why element locators? To locate or recognize or identify elements in web pages. Next, continue, Muhammad Karim. Selenium
web drivers.
WebDriver API, application programming interface, API methods. Selenium WebDriver doesn't have any user interface, only programming interface. API methods
Yes, sir.
to perform actions on web elements. Suppose button click, link click, edit box, send keys. Web elements. Actions on web elements. These three are mandatory. Next, programming concepts. To enhance test cases. Suppose if you want to handle data in your test cases, programming data types, variables required. If you want to handle runtime errors in your test cases, exception handling code required. If you want to reuse your code for reusability, programming reusable functions, in Java methods required. Now, suppose if you want to handle any external files as part of your test case navigation, file handling from programming required. Okay. Next. Testing framework. This I will add later. For this chapter, we use first 4 requisites only. Komalata. Fifth one we will add later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First four only. Fifth one we will add later.
Yes, sir.
Framework, testing framework. Example, if you select Java for programming, supported frameworks are either JUnit or TestNG. In our training program, we use TestNG. TestNG is advanced one, inspired by JUnit only. If you know TestNG, then you can easily use JUnit. If you know JUnit, you can easily use TestNG, no problem. Okay. Testing framework. Testing framework. What is the use of testing framework in Selenium testing? Not Sai. Sonobot.
Sir, for grouping and prioritizing test cases and executing test cases.
To group test cases. Next, prioritize. Prioritize test cases. Next, execute test batches, important one, and generate test reports. Already we discussed it. Selenium WebDriver doesn't have any built-in result report facility. Using testing framework, we can generate test result. Say, in this chapter, Sai Pranati, we use first four. Then you can ask one question: how you generate test result? Okay, using programming conditional statements. If x greater than y, do something else, do something like conditional statements we can use for generating the temporary result on Eclipse IDE console. But in real time, we need to store the result. For that, we use testing framework. Any testing framework. These are the prerequisites for writing test cases. Sai Pranati? Any query?
No queries, sir.
Okay, welcome. You continue. Komalata. Today I will explain one test case. Tomorrow onwards we will continue. This chapter takes nearly 10 hours. It is an important chapter. See.
Yes, sir.
Test case 1. Verify internal and external links. Verify internal and external links in a web application. Okay, in an application. See, Selenium for web testing only. Okay. Verify internal and external links in an application. Internal, inbound, technical term inbound link. External, outbound link, technical terms. Business terms, internal links, external links. Okay. It is a generic test case in web environment, web applications. Sai Pranati. Observe my terminology, Sai Pranati. It is a generic test case in web applications. What is the meaning? You tell me, Komal.
Generic means it can be applied to any kind of a website kind of a thing, sir.
Not any kind of. It is most common test case in most of the web applications.
Yes, sir.
It is common test case in most of the web applications.
Yes, sir. Most of the web applications.
Not only particular application, you can find this type of test cases in most of the web applications. Okay. Here I will explain. Verify. I am taking Wikipedia. dot org. Wikipedia.org. First I am writing test steps. But in real time, Komalata, you no need to write this feature file. Here I am writing manual steps. Then automate using Selenium WebDriver. But in real time, you no need to write these manual steps. Usually, we take manual test cases for automation. So, you no need to write these steps. But in our training program, for easy understanding, I am writing. Getting the point?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Test steps. Observe. Just a minute. I will provide one navigation. I will explain one navigation. Write the manual steps. But in real time, you don't need to write the manual steps. You just understand the selected manual test cases. First, launch browser. Suppose Chrome browser. Next, load or open Wikipedia.org. Wikipedia.org. Selenium page. Just tell me. You can launch this page directly. Selenium page in Wikipedia. You can launch this page directly. First launch browser window, Chrome browser. Next, load or open Selenium page in Wikipedia.org. Next, right side top, create an account link is create account link is there. Click this link. It is redirecting to another page. But it is internal link. How can you say that this is internal link, Komalata?
When we click, it is opening in the same web page, sir.
Same web page.
It's not redirecting to something.
Observe the URL in address bar. Observe the URL in address bar. What is the address?
Wikipedia.org.
only. So it is internal link only. Next,
Yes.
back to previous URL. Back to previous page. Back to previous page means Selenium page. Next, here right side bottom Selenium.dev link is there. Observe my mouse pointer. Click this link. It is redirecting to another page. It is another application only.
Selenium.dev.
See, by reading the URL of this page, you can easily guess this is external link. Getting it? External.
Yes, sir. Yes,
In manual testing, by reading that URL, you can identify whether it is internal link or external link. Okay?
Yes, sir.
After clicking this one, close browser window. See, two verification points in our test case. Two verification points. Write manual test steps. First test step, launch browser. Next, open or load. Selenium page in Wikipedia.org. Just what is that page? This is the URL. Continue, Komalata. Next, third step. Okay, maximizing the browser window. Those are common steps. Common
Yes, sir.
steps.
Web,
You can
web,
do a case navigation. Click,
web dri-
click. Okay. See, creating browser window instance. First, instantiating browser driver. Next, maximizing. All are common steps for test cases. You tell me this particular test case navigation. Click
click Selenium.
create account. Click create account link. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Click create account link. Next,
Yes, sir.
capture the current
Current
URL.
URL. Yes, sir.
It's for verification. After capturing the URL, we write a verification point. That is not navigation. That is not navigation. Navigation. After capturing,
Navigate back to
previous page, previous web page, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can say just previous page. You know how to navigate back.
Navigate back. Yes, sir.
Okay, back to previous. Next, click selenium dot dev
Yes, sir.
dev link.
Yes,
After that,
click
after
back
that,
again.
again capture the. We need to compare now.
Yes, sir. Capture the current URL.
Capture the current URL. Current URL.
URL.
Next,
Yes,
close the browser window.
back. Yes, sir.
You don't need to back.
Close the current URL.
Close the
current
browser window.
browser window. Yes, sir.
Close the
Browser window.
This is the navigation. Application navigation. This is the application navigation. Now just wait, Komalata. Muhammad Kalim, identify the
Yes, sir.
test data for this test case. Identify the test data for this test case.
Uh,
Identify the test data for this test case.
URL, the first one.
URL is not the test data. Remember, URL is not the test data. That is prerequisite. So, identify the test data for this test case.
Launch browser.
Sir, no test data, nothing available for this.
No test data is required. No test data is required.
Okay, sir.
Not applicable. See, tested data is required for executing test cases, Sonopathak, but not for all test cases. Suppose login functionality is there. Login functionality is there. For that, test data is required. Username, password. But for this test case, no test data. Next, verification points. Komalaka, verification points. We have two verification points. One is
URL.
First URL.
Verify
Capture current URL.
if the first URL is an internal link. Internal link. Next, verify
If the second URL
second URL is
an external link.
external link. external link.
Link. Yes, sir.
See, expected. First one, URL should contains URL should contains wikipedia.org.
org. Yes.
Otherwise, it is not internal link, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next,
URL should contain selenium dot.
Selenium.dev in this scenario.
Should not. Okay, sir. Should not contain.
Should not contains wikipedia.org. Otherwise, and for this scenario, URL should contains
Selenium.org. Dev.
Yes, you can write that one also. See, generic key should not contain, but in this scenario, should contain.
Yes, sir.
Remove this generic, use this local. This is the expected, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next page. Selenium WebDriver. Test steps. I will start this test case. Tomorrow we will continue. Concentration required. Tomorrow we will continue. First, to launch the Selenium web page, or Selenium Wikipedia page, where I used this. Selenium page in Wikipedia. Okay. Next. Click create an account link. This link element, you know it to inspect. You can use the link text. Driver dot find
element.
By dot
Link text.
Link text value sensitive. Create account.
Dot click.
After clicking that one, you capture the URL. String URL equals to driver dot
get current URL.
Next, insert verification point. Here I am using Java programming control flow statements, but in real time we use testng assert methods. For practice, you can use programming conditional statements. See, if URL is string, you can apply string built-in methods. URL one contains Wikipedia dot org. Then system dot out dot println. Suppose in this test case, this is first verification. It is an internal link. Status of the result marks. Anyhow, in real time, we don't use programming conditional statements. For practice, you can use. Learning purpose, you can use. Else.
second verification, it's an external link.
No, first verification only is
Else,
not
right, sir?
is an internal link, na? Is an internal link. Not internal link. Not internal means external only.
Yes, sir.
Is
And the
not-
second verification,
Is not an
internal link.
now first verification only they are driver dot close. Run.
Sir, this is fail.
Fail, yes.
Sir, line number 24
yes,
fail.
Yes. Fail, yes. It is not an internal link. Run the code. Click. Observe the result, Mohammed Khalid.
Yes, sir. It is pass.
Pass it now.
Yes, sir.
First verification. Next, as per our navigation, back to previous URL. Previous page. Previous
Yes,
page.
sir.
Driver dot navigate
Navigate back.
dot
Oh, dot
back.
back.
Next, click on the selenium dot dev link. Selenium dot dev. Save. Driver dot find element by dot link text value selenium dot dev dot
Click.
click. Next, capture the next URL. Suppose here URL 1 easy identification. URL 1. Next, after clicking this one, capture the second URL. URL 2. URL 2. Next, Komalata.
Yes, sir.
Verification point. Verification
Yes,
point. Suppose just a minute.
Yes.
I'm copying this one. Second verification.
Yes, sir.
If URL 2
Two
contains
contains selenium.org.
yes, selenium.dev.
Sorry, dev, sir. Yes.
Cool,
Selenium.dev.
Cool. Selenium.dev. Then
System.org.
second verification. It is
It is an external link.
yes. External link.
Link passed.
Pass it. Steps of the result pass. Next, it is not an external. Not an
Second
external means
verification.
internal only. Steps of the result failed. At the end, driver dot close. Driver dot.
System. Second verification, sir. That's one.
Oh, okay. Good observation. Okay. Run the code, run the test case, maximize the browser window, back to previous URL. Okay?
Yes, sir. Both pass.
Both pass. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Now I'm going to close the today's session. First, Sonu Pathak, any queries regarding this today's session?
No, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Next, Mohammed Khalid.
No, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Komalata.
I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.